Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the third time I'm trying to film this video, and I really hope I don't have to do it again. So today I will be doing my makeup while I answer your questions. So let's just jump right into the video. So the first question is, what is your favorite pic of yourself, and show us? Okay, so for my 25th birthday, I did a photo shoot and I used the two outfits. A simple one, which was just a white t-shirt and a gray and some gray, what are they called? Some gray biker shorts. And the other outfit was a mustard colored, what is it, suit. And I have a video on my channel of my birthday vlog. It was just me at home because it was during quarantine. But I did this photo shoot, and while I was looking back at the pictures, I saw this one photo and I immediately fell in love with it. I know it's not anything much and it's really simple, but to me, that day, my face agreed with me. Like, my makeup went on smooth. I did have acne, but you really couldn't see it when I did my makeup. Like, I didn't have any raised bumps or anything. And the other thing is that my hair, oh my gosh, my hair was looking bomb. My hair truly knew it was my birthday and just said, you know what, let's give her a break today. So this photo, it's bittersweet because my birthday this year was the first birthday I celebrated without speaking to my grandfather. And it's bittersweet because even though I wasn't able to speak to him, I have that memory. Wow. I have that memory that, every year he would call me and he would talk to me. Even though he's gone, I still have the good memory, especially on that day. I posted my birthday vlog before I posted that video of me not being okay. And at that time, what is going on with my hair? See what I'm talking about? My hair just does not agree with me on a general basis. Look at this. Look at these. Oh my gosh. My edges really are just not having it today. So, as I was saying, the reason why I love this photo is because it reminds me that even when life gets difficult, even when things aren't going great, I should still find something to be thankful for. Because on this day, I woke up and I said to myself, I am going to enjoy today. I am going to be thankful for life, and I'm going to be thankful for all of my blessings. So that's what I did. And that's why I love this photo, because it just reminds me that I should be thankful for everything and all the blessings. And so I'm encouraging you guys to find some photo that reminds you to be thankful or to appreciate everything you have. It doesn't have to be a photo of yourself. It could just be like a family photo, but you remember the question was a photo of me. But I'm telling you, find a photo, any photo, that just reminds you to be thankful. The second question is, do you like dominating? I don't know what this means. If it means, like some of that 50 Shades of Grey kind of business, then that is not a question that I will be answering, that I feel comfortable answering on the interwebs, and I refuse to answer that because that is between my husband and I. So no, I'm not answering that. But if it's talking about being dominant in a relationship, I don't like that. I don't want to be a dominant person. It's a partnership. A marriage is a partnership, and that is why I don't believe any one person should dominate it, because just like the Bible says, God took a rib from Adam and he made Eve, and Eve was his helpmeet. She wasn't his slave. He didn't dominate her. She didn't dominate him. She was a helpmeet and a partnership. So no, if that's what we're talking about, no, I don't like dominating him. And Shamrai doesn't like dominating me. It is a partnership where we discuss things that we might be dealing with at a specific moment. Question number 3, do you want to be a model? Honestly, no, I do not want to be a model. I do get the opportunity to take out photos and do photo shoots because my uncle is a photographer, and also my aunt's husband, he is a photographer. So I do get the opportunity to flex my modelesqueness. Yes, that is a word. Look it up in my dictionary. It is a word. So yeah, I do get the opportunity to model and take photos and do photo shoots. But to be a professional model, no. I don't want to do that. I'm good. I'm happy the way that I am right now. I love my job. So that is of no interest to me. But when I was younger, it looked like something that was exciting to do. So I did want to do that at one point in time. But no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. One eye always looks like it's more blended than the other. Doesn't this eye look better than this eye? I don't know. Gosh. Just work with me, please. Oh my gosh. Work with me. I think, oh my gosh. I think this is the best it's going to be getting. So, yeah. Let's just move on to question number 4. What shows do you follow on Netflix? So when it comes to Netflix, well, I usually just watch movies with my husband because he doesn't like series. He does not like being left in suspense. So he is a no when it comes to series. But when I do get the opportunity, when I'm by myself and I do get the opportunity to watch whatever I want to watch, I would follow animated adult series. I am that kind of girl that likes animated adult series because it helps the child in me to just, have some time with the adult in me. So the shows that I actually follow are F is for Family, Rick and Morty, Big Mouth. What else? Paradise PD. Yeah. So for now, that's what I'm looking at. Well, I finished looking at all the episodes, so I'm just waiting for new episodes of these series to come out. I did start other series before and didn't complete watching it because it just got boring after a while. And that was Scandal, How to Get Away with Murder, and Gossip Girl. But I am making a commitment that one day I will go back to watching these shows and I'm just going to finish them out. But as of today, no, I'm not watching those. And the series that I really, really enjoyed that I do recommend is Reign, which is about Mary, Queen of Scots, and Once Upon a Time. That's if you like fairy tales for Once Upon a Time, because that is about a whole lot of fairy tales, and I really, really enjoyed that series. Those are what I follow, and that's what I like. If you have any suggestion of series that you think I should watch, then, just leave them down below. What do you enjoy? If you've watched any of the ones that I've watched, let me know. Oh my gosh, I'm like a hot mess. Let me know what you thought about those shows, and let me know your Netflix series preferences. So the next question is a 2-part question. So it's 5, and then we're going to go into 5.5. So question number 5, what made you decide to start your YouTube channel? When they say that you must be the change that you want to see, and I realized I was not seeing much Guyanese YouTubers, and I wanted there to be a mark made. So I decided, you know what, I'm gonna start my channel. And YouTube, doing videos actually helps me to relax. What is going on here? Do you see like a dark spot right there? I don't know why. Why? When I do my videos, it helps me to relax, and I don't really wear makeup on a daily basis, so this helps me to be able to play with all the makeup that I have in my collection. I just wanted Guyanese persons to be represented. Even if I'm not the best representation, I just wanted something. I just wanted us to be here. And then 5.5 is it a hobby or do you plan on making it a side job? So as of right now, it's a hobby because in order for me to make money from YouTube, I have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and as you see, I'm far from that, so I'm not even thinking about that right now. Something is wrong with this eye. I am convinced something is wrong with this eye. Oh my gosh. So I'm far from that right now, and so I'm not really focused on whether I'll be able to make money from here or not. But even if I do reach the point where I can make money, I'm not gonna leave my job because I love my job and it makes me happy. Something is going on with this eye that's it's not agreeing with me. Something is going on. What should I do? Let me finish my eyes quickly and then we're gonna move on with the face and continue the questions because it's only 8 questions and we're already moving on to number 6. So question number 6, when doing your makeup, do you think contouring is essential, is important, or can it be skipped? Okay, so makeup for different events is different. Makeup application when it's for different events it's different. You don't wake up, wow. The makeup that you wear every day will be different from the makeup that you wear to go to a show or like a pageant or do a photo shoot. It's different makeup application. So for everyday makeup where you just want to look put together, you don't need to contour because people are just going to be seeing you in person and they're going to be seeing the shape of your face. But for, let's say you're going somewhere where there are going to be a whole lot of photos and videos being taken, then yeah, contouring is necessary because it adds shape back to your face. So I'm going to show you this photo of me in 2019 New Year's Day. This is before I got into wearing a lot of makeup and so on. And on this day, my nose was not contoured, and as you see, it looks flat, it looks non-existent, and that is okay. That is okay. It was just a mistake. It was okay. But I'm just saying that if you don't want to look like you don't have a nose or some part of your face is non-existent, then you don't have to contour your face. But if you know you're going to be taking a lot of photos and a lot of videos are going to be taken, or it's a photo shoot, then yeah, I think it's necessary for that. But then remember that makeup is personal and you can do whatever you want to do. So you don't have to follow anything I'm saying, and that is okay. There is no judgment. At least I ain't judging you. Because makeup is fun. There are no rules. So do what you want. Question number 7, would you ever consider getting a tattoo? Honestly, no, because I've never been interested in getting tattoos because I'm just too afraid to make permanent changes to my body like that. Yes, I know you can get laser removal, but that just seems like a lot of pain, a lot of unnecessary pain. So, no, I would not get a tattoo, but I would get a piercing. And I do want some ear piercings. The first one I want is this one here. Yeah, I think that's the one I want right now. And I think I also want the industrial piercing. That looks cool. So I want that. I don't know when because I'm going to do it spontaneously. I don't want to plan it. I just want to go one day and say, I'm here for a piercing, and just let them do it right away. But I don't know when that will be. We just have one more question left, so I'm trying to finish my base up before I answer that question. And the final question is, how has married life been? And honestly, married life has been challenging at points and beautiful at other points because I am just getting accustomed to being someone's wife, taking care of someone else. cooking every day, because now I cannot depend on my mommy to do anything for me. I have to do it all by myself. Making sure he is taken care of. And I'm also getting accustomed to just being in a house with one other person, because I grew up with a big family and the house always having people and someone always visiting. So I'm now getting accustomed to just being with one other person. The reason that it's challenging at times is that you're getting accustomed to you have to get adapted to having a routine with just one other person, especially if you came from a big home and big family where you were around other people all of the time. When you are alone, sometimes you feel lonely. And I do miss my mother at times, but I call her when I miss her. We talk on the phone, we message, and so on. But marriage is a beautiful thing because you have somebody to be with, you have somebody to love, you have somebody that is just there for you to annoy when you're bored. Yeah. So marriage life has been good. It has its up, it has its down, but that's just like any other relationship that has its ups and downs. And just gotta keep getting accustomed, getting used to it. One day I'll be such a professional. There will be nothing that bothers me, nothing that surprises me. But talking about surprises, my advice to you is, if you know you're getting married, please don't go into your marriage with expectations of what your spouse is gonna do, or how your spouse is gonna be, because it's not gonna be that way. It will not be the way that you expect, and then you're just gonna feel disappointed. Just go into your marriage with open mind and open hearts, and just accept anything that comes your way. And if you guys want me to do a video on what to expect when you're getting married, or whether you're ready for marriage, I wanted to do one a while now, but what is that? Where did this come from? Yeah, I wanted to do one a while now, but I just wanted to know. I want to know if you guys would want to see a video of that type. But you gotta remember that marriage is not just about the good, it's also about the bad, and you gotta know how to cope with both. So that's what we are working on and working through, and it's an adventure. Marriage is an adventure. An adventure. I'm not even gonna correct myself. So that was the last question. Thank you guys for asking those questions. Let me finish up my face and then I'm just gonna close off the video. So this brings me to the end of the video. Thank you to everyone that submitted questions. We will be doing these like every couple of months, and I will be going to cook lunch now because I am hungry, and my husband will be coming home for lunch just now. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much. You are a real one, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a faithfully blessed day. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!